Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some breezy as well as mild conditions across the region this morning. We are in a wind advisory and will most likely remain in one throughout the rest of the work hours today. Going to see, in general, a fairly tranquil morning other than the windy conditions. We'll see no chance of precipitation or lightning this morning. Once we move in the afternoon hours, we'll see a chance of some rainfall. I'm not going to see any chances of lightning for the work hours today. Once we move in the evening hours, we'll see a cold front approaching. That's going to give us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms for the late evening hours, into the early overnight hours. And we'll see that cold front move south of the region and just some plain rain showers moving through the region for tomorrow morning and possibly into early afternoon, and some cooler conditions in general once that cold front does move through for tomorrow. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, this cold front is currently northwest of our region. It's going to be pushing towards the region and then crossing the area later during the overnight hours tonight, and that's going to give us our best chance of that rainfall once that cold front does move over and just south of the region. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we have that cloud cover starting to move in from the west with a good amount of mid and upper level cloud cover moving into the region. We'll also see some low level cloud cover move in for later on during the afternoon hours today. Taking a look at our radar imagery, you can see we do have that rain shower activity off to our west. I'll continue to push through the region but dry out some as it does so, and we'll just in general see some isolated scattered light rain showers move through the region. And not going to see a lot of total precipitation with this system today, most likely under 1/10 of an inch if we do see any rainfall across the region. And taking a look at the HRM model here for today into tomorrow, you can see here we do have those rain showers moving towards the region and through the area around noon to 3 p.m. today, and then once we move past that, we'll see dry conditions until this evening with that cold front approaching from the north and west. That's going to give us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, and it looks like our best chance of rainfall, as I mentioned, comes when this cold front moves through during the overnight hours, and we'll see most likely a steady rainfall for tomorrow morning. Once we move into the afternoon hours, that rainfall activity will become less steady and more in the isolated variety, and we'll continue to see some lingering rain showers in the afternoon hours and continue to move off the coast thereafter and clearing out overnight on Thursday night and Friday. Taking a look at the European model here, you can see that activity today and then the showery weather, for the overnight hours into tomorrow early afternoon, and then thereafter looks like we should dry out across the region. Our next chance of rainfall comes Saturday after a nice Friday with a chance of some showers and even an isolated thunderstorm. Moving into Sunday, we'll see once again a nice day across the region, warmer temperatures near 80 degrees as well as dry conditions. And then for Monday, it looks like we'll have another air low pressure moving through the region, giving us a chance of showers and even an isolated thunderstorm once again. And for Tuesday, we'll see in general high pressure building across the region. And taking a look at the risk chart for today, we'll see a high today expected in the lower to mid 70s, around 74 degrees. We'll see a yellow for our precipitation chances for this afternoon, and our peak wind will be around 32 knots this afternoon. So due to that wind, we'll have the red condition for our winds today, and we do have a wind advisory out currently. As we move into the overnight hours, we'll see those winds start to die down slightly and in general become more southwesterly to westerly, and by tomorrow morning we'll see that cold front move south of the region and a north-northwesterly flow, gusting up to 20 knots. We'll see our temperatures dropping into the upper 50s tomorrow morning as well, so a big change as far as our temperatures go, and much cooler Thursday in store across Wallops. And taking a look at our showers and thunderstorm chances, we'll have that red condition overnight. We'll also see a yellow condition for our thunderstorms, around 30% chance, and that's going to run from about 22 local to about 4 local on Thursday morning. Our terminal forecast, we'll see in general VFR conditions today. We'll see those rain shower chances, but overall should see ceilings above 3,000 feet and unrestricted visibilities unless we have a rain shower in the region. And moving into the overnight hours, we'll have some low cloudiness built in the region, as well as that chance of a thunderstorm until 4 local on Thursday morning. Tides are normal, looking at Thursday and Friday. Thursday, cloudy with rain likely through early afternoon. A chance of lingering showers during the late afternoon hours, cooler, high of only 61 degrees. Red for precipitation here with that morning rain likely, and then as I mentioned, becoming more isolated in the afternoon hours. Thursday night, mostly cloudy early, becoming partly cloudy, mostly clear, low 47. And for Friday, we'll see mostly sunny skies to partly cloudy skies and pleasant conditions, high 68 degrees. Green charts across the board for Thursday night and Friday. So the next 7 days, we are in a drought currently, and we do have multiple chances of rainfall, so that's a good thing for trying to get out of this drought we're currently in. So that rainfall likely tomorrow morning. Looks like we should be under a half an inch of rainfall, most likely between a quarter and a half inch rainfall. Hopefully we are able to get a beneficial rainfall out of the system tonight into tomorrow morning. Our next chance of rainfall comes Saturday with a chance of some isolated showers and thunderstorms. Not looking like a lot of precipitation with that system, but we do have a chance of some isolated showers and thunderstorms with the upper level trough moving through. Then Sunday into Monday, we'll see another system moving through. Looks like a fairly deep trough moving into the region, and that's going to give us a better chance of rainfall. Looks like on Monday currently with chances of rainfall. Looks like timing-wise should be Monday morning into Monday afternoon, but we'll continue to monitor that a few days out. And but looks like that's our next best chance of seeing some decent amount of rainfall across the region to hopefully start to erode this drought across the region. Then Tuesday looks like we dry out, as I mentioned, high pressure and control. Temperatures back in the upper 60s for highs, so some nice weather. But in general here, looks like we should be above normal other than on Thursday, with temperatures in the upper 60s to mid-70s throughout the next 7 days, with exception of tomorrow being a cooler day across the region. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.